Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Mehak and today we're talking about lanterns. We're going to tell you how to assemble them so that they look super cute while you're decorating. So when you order a lantern, how it's going to look like, it's going to come super flat like this. So you want to get it into a super round cute shape. What you have to do for that is just you have to take it out of its packaging. You have two things that you have to work with: the lantern itself and its stand. So the stand has two ends, guys. One is going to be a short head, the other is going to be a long head. And with the lantern, one is going to be a small circle, and then there on the other side is going to be a large circle. The large circle will have two hooks at the end. I'm going to tell you in a while what you're going to do with those. So you can hold your lantern and pull it apart like so. It's going to come in a full circle. Then what you're going to do is you're going to pick up the stand and you're going to push the short head through the larger hole like so, right? You're going to place and adjust the short head in the small circle, and then you're going to pull down the lantern and hook these circles that we just discussed about, those hooks into the, just like that. So here you go, guys. Super simple, super easy. Like I said, your lantern ready to go. So guys, I hope you enjoyed our video. I hope it was easy to understand. If you have any questions, anything you want to ask, also if you want to tell us what kind of videos you would like to see next, comment down below. Finally, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys later. Bye bye.